Welcome to our channel. In the last sessions we discussed how to eliminate left recursion in the grammar. Now in this session we will discuss some more examples of left recursion elimination. Before going with the examples, once again I give the formula. What is the format? A tends to A alpha slash some beta. What is mean by the left recursion? The left hand side of the production is equal to the leftmost symbol in the right side production. If these two are equal, that is called left recursion. We need to eliminate such left recursion. How do we eliminate? The simple procedure. A tends to any productions, that is not only beta, beta 1, beta 2, beta n, anything. If any symbol that does not starts with A, any symbol that does not starts with A, beta A dash, beta A dash. Now A dash is replaced with the symbol this one, alpha A dash slash epsilon. Remember, beta A dash. Now this A dash is replaced with I eliminate this one, alpha A dash. For example, here you have beta 1, beta 2 and so on. What is the procedure? Beta 1 A dash, beta 2 A dash, like this. For example, A alpha 1, A alpha 2. Then what you are doing? A dash tends to alpha 1 A dash, alpha 2 A dash, like this. Any symbols that does not begin with A, write all those with A dash. If any begins with 1, reverse. That means we are converting the left recursion into right recursion. If you observe, this is left recursion. If you observe, this is right recursion. Now we already discussed the complete procedure in the last session. Now we will move with these two examples, how I am eliminating this recursion. First, consider this example. A tends to A, B, D, A, simple procedure. A tends to observe the productions that does not starts with A. So capital A. This is the only production. And if it is A, simply write A dash. Now this A dash, simply convert these left recursions into right recursions. What are the remaining things? B, D, A dash. Now here this one, A dash. Add one more epsilon. You got the point? Observe all the production that does not starts with A, write A dash. Now this A dash is replaced with this left recursive is converted into right recursive. Now for this, B tends to same B dash. Now this B dash tends to reverse E B dash slash epsilon. This is the grammar after eliminating left recursion. Now consider one more example. Here S tends to A. There is no problem. If you consider this one now, S tends to A tends to, again observe, these two does not starts with capital A. So AB A dash, AC A dash. Now A dash tends to, these two starts with A, convert the left recursive into right recursive. D A dash, E A dash. Now for this one, capital B tends to small b, B, C, F. There is no problem. These two are the eliminated left recursive grammars. Now in the next session we will discuss some more examples of left recursion elimination. Thank you.